Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Dr. Slayman and I'm a general surgery resident and I graduated from overseas. So one of the requirements for the match was the Ecfmg certification. What that basically is that if you meet the requirements of step 1, step 2, and also sat the OET successfully, you can apply for this certificate and it lasts for 2 years. You have to have it the December before your application. So say you are applying for the 2025 match. So for instance, you are applying to get in and become an intern in 2025, so next year, then you need to meet this requirement by 2024 December. Does that make sense? Alrighty, so here's the official website from the Ecfmg talking about the requirements for the 2025 match. The link will be inserted below. It tells you who should use the pathways, and in general, it's for people who have graduated from medical schools overseas, and this replaces the CKCS, so clinical skills, from before. Here it shows you the different pathways. So there's 6 different pathways whereby you can apply for the Ecfmg certificate. And then there's a little bit more information about the eligibility and the expiration date and when you need to submit it, which I've briefly spoken about before, but you can definitely read about all of this in great detail. Here's my pathway. I used pathway number 4, and I'm just clicking on the links to show you there's a little bit more information about the different pathways, who should apply for it, and the requirements. This is where you go to find out which pathway your medical school is eligible for. The reason why I'm releasing these videos is to help you, because when I was applying, I thought it was such a struggle, didn't know where to go, didn't know where to click, and I just kind of went on the whim. Some people don't remember what they did, so I thought releasing these videos would help all of you with your application. So stay tuned. This one will be a short one, but there's more to come, I promise. To prove your pathway, you need to go to credentialing, and that can be seen on the Oasis platform. And basically all you have to do is upload a dean's letter, and basically in this letter it just says that you're a medical student of good standing and says a little bit about the school and like your rotations and stuff, and you just upload that for them to approve it. Head to Oasis for your Ecfmg certificate payment. Link will be below. I'm just showing you pathway 1, pathway 2, and pathway 3 to 5. Mine was 4. And then just clicking some boxes around. And finally, the payment info where I'm hemorrhaging money, $925. That's a hefty sum. And basically what ended up happening was I got sent the Ecfmg certificate by mail, so ensure that your address is correct for that. It's honestly such a beautiful certificate, and it's so satisfying receiving it by mail. Hope you enjoyed this video, and next up is stuff about the OET, the preparation, how to apply, and also a personal story about how I missed my OET. Stay tuned.